Okay, we want to look at being able to evaluate expressions. And remember, when you evaluate something, that means you're going to put in values for your letters in order to actually get a numeric answer. So the problem says, parentheses, C plus 5, C plus D, excuse me, minus 5, when C equals 2 and D equals 3. That means we want to take our value for C and our value for D and plug it into the problem and then evaluate the problem after that. So again, when we plug something in, we don't replace anything in the problem except for the letter. So instead of writing a C, I'm going to write a 2. I'm bringing the plus sign down because it is a part of the problem. Instead of writing D, I'm going to write a 3. Again, this minus sign is a part of the problem, so I'm going to bring bottom my minus, and then of course 5. So now, according to order of operations, I always do what's inside the parentheses first. So 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5. Bringing down the minus, bring down my other 5. So now 5 minus 5 gives me 0. And there's my answer. Let's try another one. Let's say if we have 3p squared when p is a negative 2. So 3p squared when p is negative 2. Again, that means I'm only going to replace this p with this negative 2. Everything else in the problem I'm going to write down. So 3, instead of writing a p, I'm going to put negative 2 squared. And remember we said whenever we want to square something, we want to put just what's being squared in parentheses. So before I do 3 times negative 2, for those of you who were thinking that would be wrong, I would do negative 2 to the second power first. So negative 2 to the second power would give me 4. And then multiply 4 times that 3. So then 3 times 4 would give me 12 as my final answer. So those are a couple of problems. If you're getting stuck, remember what we say. Only replace letters with whatever value they're giving you and then do the math from there.